Another thing is that and the failure and the impact that we have. No, ang pangalawa kasi noon is in terms of what we call the marketing support. Alam niyo mga native, as we implement the project, ang marketing support kasi is very critical pag ang pag-usapan natin is by the thousand. Now, we have learned then, no, sa mga first batches ng ating commercialization noon, no, kung nasundan po ninyo ang page natin from the 2017, 2018, and 2019, no, meron na po tayo mga try run noon. Nakita namin is that na pag walang marketing support yung Native, ang kawawa palagi is ang Razer. Bakit? It is because that the price na Native chicken in the market is keep on fluctuating. Sa buong taon, yung magandang presyo lang is nandoon na yan from possibly October hanggang December, and then January, February na normal yan, and then the rest of it na papunta na doon sa presyo na sobrang baba na ang bilihan. And that is why at Philippine Native Chicken, ang ginagawa natin is that na we do what we call the protective pricing. Ang ibig sabihin ng protective pricing, mga Native, na hindi ka pa nakapag-alaga, alam mo na kung magkano ang presyuhan ng inyong mga produkto, mga Native. Kasi, no, very critical kasi yan para at least malaman mo kung saan banda dapat na igawa mo ng paraan para mas mapapababa pa ninyo ang cost of production. Kasi kung mapababa natin ang cost of production, dahan-dahan yan, mga Native, na it will convert into what we call the income.